Oh,
This one is the most personal. It's like Dhamshala.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
I am planning to come July. July?
July 6th, 11th.
July.
6th.
Yeah.
Oh, then we will visit there.
Yeah.
Correct. He is the hospital in charge.
Oh, you're
Yeah, the committee members. There's on the 7th day university and companies. Yeah. Sir, there's a much more. Yes.
Sir, there were means there is a public square which has a medical reconstruction and north side is the TD wing and south side is the scanning school. The ground floor is half. Basically, 5 buildings were involved. This is the master plan. This is the hospital. The delegate quarters, doctors quarters. In total, we have 50-bedded hospital.
So you all cardiology dialysis.
Yes, there is cardiology, there is dialysis, there is 5 OPs.
Oh, fine.
There are multiple labs. There is also a system. And the most important thing is this is a public service. What will it cost us? I'm sure of
Gautam is clever, huh?
every building has their this is the entrance of the hospital. The drop-offs. It is designed in such a way that you say this picture. Ambulances and drop-offs.
That's a chip is. Yeah, I'll think.
Gautam, what is the time frame?
So 1 year contract.
1 year.
We are in progress to total is about 1 lakh 20,000 square. 1 lakh 15,000.
Gautam doesn't need 12 months. Pray and thank His Holiness for giving us the audience and also blessings. Visit this place, particularly the hospital project, which is Seraje.
Yes.
Seraje Hospital project, which my friend Chopel has mentioned. It is not only for Tibetans but also for the entire local community, which is the main philosophy of His Holiness. You know, he always had advocates that everybody live peacefully and happily.
아니 저것은 멤버 자가기 이미 상막이야 간다 편도 좀 면접 제출했지 아니 자가는 무슨 공시다 튕바래서
Rinpoche, that we are also running two hospitals which are 1,000 bedded each, with all the different faculties, you know, cardiology, nephrology, OBG, gynecology, every department, because we are also running two medical colleges, nursing colleges, and dental college. So since all these institutions are there, we have to support with the hospital. So we are running those two hospitals, and I would like nurses or paramedics, so we can support exchange program. Some of your people can come and just train in our hospital. Similarly, they can come and serve you. So that offer is open.
yes 예만 프랑이 라디고 너싱 로킹 기분나 프랑 콜레지 라탄고 프랑 인도 뭐 보통 인바 메데톤 로킹 기분 일라고 뭐 인데요 어디 간다 같은
Follow Buddhism. That our wedding was Buddhist. So we always believe in his philosophy, Buddhist philosophy.
부산 남발이야 아니 같이 아주 남미 거기 남발 있어 그런 게 사실 때 남미 제 사실 가서 잘 있어
Admission to this hospital from our organization, 25 lakhs I am going to donate to this hospital.
냉장 지체도 약간 내가 초반에는 양 공부 생활이 시대되는 회사 냉장 지체도
So thanks very much for giving this opportunity, and yourself and your wife, your people with your faith of His Holiness. I always respect him, I always greet him whenever he comes to Bangalore. That tradition,
영화는 나오는데 비부터 그냥 내가 준비를 해서 내가 나는 제가 혹시 인터넷에 내가 잡는 오늘 뭐죠 대표는 보는 제가 되나 근데 지난 대표는 있는데 오늘 찾을 수
so thank you for giving very much your time to us, because this project is very important for not only our history but also public. So this area, not hospital, reality. So then you are opportunity to come here and to give a very important advice and very grateful support to us. So really we are so glad that we can help so many people to care of each other.
So you are so we are and this academic this many months to your house. So Tara. Yes.
White Tara. White Tara.
White Tara.
White.
Yeah, white Tara. White Tara. Two Taras.
Yes, I
Gautam, should finish the project fast.
Yes.
Huh? Not 9 months, 8 months.
Yes.
He is very good. He has done projects with us.
So they're
Gautam.